Hello and welcome to FlexiQuiz. In this video we will show you how to create and send a basic quiz. From your dashboard, click Create Quiz. Next, add a name for your quiz. You will now need to select what item you would like to add. Let's start with writing a quiz question. So highlight and select Question. This will open a new window. FlexiQuiz offers a choice of question types, including multiple choice, fill in the blanks, or free format. With free format, you have the choice of matching text, and FlexiQuiz will mark the test based on answers you have provided, or free text, and you will need to manually mark that question. You can use the same question type for all of the quiz or mix and match. To move forward, highlight and select the relevant question type. For this example, I'm going to create a multiple choice question with a single answer option. And so all you need to do is write your question in the empty box. You can also format the question with the FlexiQuiz toolbar. This allows you to add colours, equations, images, videos, and much more. Once you have set your question, add the answer and some distractors. You will need to tick the correct answer to enable FlexiQuiz to mark the quiz. You also have the option to randomise the answers that are shown to participants. Just tick the Randomise Options box. Once the question and answers are complete, click Save. It's easy to come back to amend the quiz at any time if required. You can now configure the quiz by selecting the Configure tab at the top of the page. FlexiQuiz offers a variety of ways to personalise the quiz to meet your objectives. The categories are listed on the left-hand side, and it's worth reviewing these as there is a large choice of options, including time limits, logos, and creating an email list. Once ready to send the quiz, go to the Publish tab. FlexiQuiz offers a choice of distribution methods, and you can pick as many as you would like. Then click the blue Publish Quiz button. The quiz is now live and the status will change from InDesign to Open. You can pause the quiz at any time, just click Close Quiz. The information will not be lost and you can reopen the quiz whenever you need. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it's helped you build a great quiz. For more information about FlexiQuiz, please visit flexiquiz.com or our pages on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you and goodbye.